Managing land shouldn't mean fighting it, but today's vegetation management is slow, expensive, and often imprecise. And in the places that matter most, rugged terrain, dense growth, remote land, traditional equipment simply cannot reach. Hermes Vision is built for precisely those environments. Today's vegetation management methods are blunt. Broad spraying wastes pesticides. Manual treatment is slow and labor intensive. Costs rise, efficiency drops, and hard-to-reach areas are left untreated. For landowners, utilities, and operators, it's a constant trade-off between coverage, cost, and precision. Hermes Vision uses autonomous drones to bring precision to places traditional machinery just cannot go. Operating across pastures, rangelands, and utility corridors, our system targets vegetation exactly where it needs to be managed. No over-application, no missed areas, just efficient, targeted action. First, the system maps the terrain and identifies areas that need treatment. Then, drones autonomously generate and execute optimized routes, navigating complex environments with precision. They apply treatment only where it's necessary, reducing waste while maximizing impact. No heavy equipment, no manual searching, no unnecessary pesticide. The result is immediate and measurable. Up to a 50% reduction in vegetation management costs, less pesticide usage, healthier land, more efficient operations, and the ability to finally manage areas that were previously inaccessible. This isn't just automation, it's precision at scale. Hermes Vision was founded by a team out of Carnegie Mellon University, combining expertise in robotics, AI, and real-world land management. From autonomous navigation in complex terrain to first-hand experience working on ranches and vegetation management projects, the team understands both the technical challenge and the operational reality. This is technology built with the field in mind. Hermes Vision is part of the Robotics Accelerate cohort. We're building alongside leading robotics companies and accelerating development and deploying solutions designed for real-world environments. We believe land management should be smarter, more precise, and more sustainable. Hermes Vision is redefining how we care for the land 1 acre at a time. If you're still relying on outdated methods to manage complex terrain, you're leaving efficiency and impact on the table. Hermes Vision changes that. This is vegetation management built for exactly where the work actually happens.